Hello friends, here we will learn about disk cleanup on Linux. In order to free up a lot of disk space on Ubuntu Linux by deleting cached package files. If you probably have Ubuntu running on your older computers and they often have smaller hard drives, so you are looking to save every bit of drive space you can. So here is an easy trick to free up a surprising amount of drive space. Every time Ubuntu updates or you install some softwares, the package manager downloads all of the packages to the system and then caches them there in case they need to be installed again. So you need to check the drive space used by cached files in order to free up the space. To check out the used space for yourself, head into the archives folder, which is preceded by where, then go to cache and go to apt, or just run the following command from the prompt. The command is initiated by writing du and then you can see that the command on the screen. You will see that there is a lot of space being used on this testing box, which I have barely used. There is 441 MB sitting there in the cache folder. You can have a look at the screenshot here. Clean out the cached packages. To clean out this folder properly, you can use this command from the shell prompt. You may write sudo then apt hyphen and write get, and by giving the space you need to write clean. You could of course delete the files manually if you wanted to, but that would probably be a mistake since the log file and the blank partial directory are supposed to stay there. Disable automatic package caching. If you would rather not have to go in and clean out the cache folders all the time, you can tell Ubuntu to stop keeping them around with a simple configuration change. You need to head into System, then go to Administration and then go to Synaptic Package Manager. Then choose Settings and go to Preferences. Switch over to the Files tab where you can change the option to delete downloaded packages after installation, which will prevent the caching entirely. You will also notice that you can use the Delete Cached Package Files button from this screen to clean up the packages. So here we have learned how to disk cleanup on Linux. Thank you.